Hello my friends, this is Medha here and my YouTube channel is Learn with Fun. Today I have brought the video of colors. Colors? Yes, without colors it's very hard to imagine this world, isn't it? Very true. Without colors, it will be all so boring and dull. Oh, thankfully, this is not the case. We can see beautiful colors around us, which makes us happy and lively. So, today we are going to learn about these colors, and lastly, we will play a short game. So, are you ready to start? Yes. So let's start with different colors. Oh, but 1 minute. I have brought one friend with me. Who is it? I have brought a big water pump, or as you say, a big water gun. This water gun is going to pull out water of different colors. By seeing that water, we will see what that color is called. So let's start. This is blue. Blue color. Which is this color? This color is red. Red. This is yellow. Yellow color. Let's see what is our next color. Oh, this is green. Green color. Wow. This is pink color. Pink. Pink. Which is this color? This is orange. Orange. Oh, this is black. Black color. Which is this color? This is white. White. Our next color is brown. Brown. Which is this color? This is violet. Violet. So friends, we just now had a look at beautiful colors. You enjoyed it? Great. Now it's time for a short game. Let's see what our game is. So let's start our game. Our game is I have brought different colors of balloons for you, and you are going to tell me what is the color of the balloon. Very simple. So let's start. Oh, which is this color? Yes, you guessed it right. It's a blue color. Blue. Which is this color? This is red. Yes, correct. Red. Now, which is this color? This is yellow. Yellow. Which is this color? This is correct. Green. Green. And which is this color? This is pink. Pink. Oh, which is this color now? This is orange. Orange. Now, which is this color? Correct, this is black. Black. Which is this color? This is white. White. Which is this color? This is brown. Brown. Wow, which is this color? This is violet. Violet. So friends, you enjoyed the colors? Great! So friends, I hope you enjoy watching these colors. In my next video, I'm going to tell you what are different objects around us of these colors. So, stay tuned and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. Thank you and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.